John was a quiet man. He worked at a small office and came home every evening at exactly 6 o'clock. His wife, Lisa, was very different. Lisa got angry very easily. One evening, John came home late. It was 6:30. As soon as John opened the door, Lisa shouted, "Where were you? Why are you late again?" John stayed calm. "I'm sorry," he said softly. "There was a lot of traffic today." "You always say that. You don't care about this family." John said nothing. He went to the kitchen and started cooking dinner. Lisa watched him. She felt more angry. John turned off the stove and looked at her. "Being quiet doesn't mean I don't care." Lisa was surprised. Her anger disappeared. "I didn't know you felt like that," she said quietly. That night, they ate dinner together in silence. But this time it was a peaceful silence. And for the first time in a long time, both of them felt understood.